I just won
But you're not the winner.
5,000, 51,300. How much? 518,000?
5,100.
Oh, 5,100. There you go. Winner. Alright folks, today is July 12 and...
July 12, you're talking about 6.
Hold on. I'm Biden.
Here's
Okay,
my lucky winner.
Oh my God. Okay folks, today is July 6 and this is our lucky day. We decided to go gallivanting and we're here at the truck stop, 7-Eleven.
And I bought my lucky winner mega.
So hope me luck.
Wish me luck. Okay,
Wish me luck.
See you.
See you. Alright folks, we arrived in Pachanga. We're on the 4th floor of the parking area and here we are. Here's Indang. It's hot, so okay, I'll show you the surroundings. We're on the 4th floor of the parking area. This over there, elevators to casino. So there's an elevator. And that's the building for Pachanga. Yeah. Wish me win for $1 million. It's my lucky day today. With that smile, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. All right. We'll see you out there. Oh, lips to lips. Hello folks, dito kami sa top floor ng garage ng Pachanga. At ito na naman, nilabas namin si Honda. Bagong labas na naman. So, enjoy! Ano masasabi mo, Indang?
Amazing.
Ano kaya, mananalo kaya tayo ng milyon o ano?
Don't even think about it.
Why not? Hindi masama mangarap, di ba?
Just go and have fun.
Okay, tara. Tara. Okay, lalabas ko lang ito. May katuyan, may katuyan. May katuyan. Tol. Let's select.
It's windy. Sige na.
Ikabit ko kano dati gold na. Gold.
Can you just please stop?
Sige.
Masyado ka, Marie.
Ito tayo, dadato. Nakita ka. Iwiwir mo, pati data na hanggang iwiwirin. Iwiwir mo tayo. Iwiwir sa nga mo. Anong nga ta? Mga bak nga ta ni Indang. Balato. Indang. Balato ka mo ta. Okay, that's the entrance. Ang nga makaur-uray yan, Indangan. Ang nga makaur-uray. Can't wait. She can't wait. May kato yata, picture ta dito. Kana? Kini. I had to win $1 million today. I-post mo i-post mo. Wala to. Ang nangamuti agilibitor. Oh. Ang nangamuti agilibitor. Agilibitor. Oh. There you go. There you go, going down. Going down. Ay na. Pati magibaba. Pangato ka may sa. Oh. Data. It went down, down, down at the lower. Alam mo, gilibito dato. Napali dyan underground. We had to go up one floor again. O tingnan mo si Indang, oh, ang ganda ng likod. Sa likod na lang. Sa likod na lang maganda. Post ka ba na? Post. Ano masasabi mo, Indang? That's the inside of the casino, folks.
I don't know what's doing, but okay.
Gapo na. Talo na. Ang gapo. Nindang naabakin.
Mimiyaw.
Mimiyaong.
No.
Okay.
It's a fun.
Mimiyaong.
That's it.
Kitama. Jackpot. Jackpot.
No.
Oh man. Mimiyaong nindang.
Just had one. That's it.
Awan, dati milyones. Hindi ka nga pakpakan. Okay,
Okay.
Ram. Mimiyaw. Okay folks, kailangan manalo ako ng milyon. I'm just gonna dance with it. Alright. Just dance with it, man. There you go. I just hit a jackpot. Jackpot. There you go. 10 free games again. Free games, free games, free games. Jackpot, jackpot. Big money, big money, big money. There you go. Big money, big money. Woo! Look up, look up. I'm gonna win $1 million here. $1 billion. There you go. E. Come on. Need your. There you go. Woohoo. Woohoo. Need your mango. Yeah, man, come on. There's a lot. Oh man, I got only 6, 7 of 10. 7 of 10. Oh man. Woohoo. Oh man. How do you go? I got, oh man, 2 more. Woo. Oh man, that's it. Nothing. Oh, there you go. 200. Fine. Man. Whew, that's it. Oh my God. Only $9. It's stingy. Only $9. Stingy. And this machine is stingy, and she's laughing out there at the back. Oh man. Woo, stingy. I just won.
But you're not the winner.
5,000, 51,300. How much? 518,000?
5,100.
Oh, 5,100. There you go. Winner. Oh, what? Did you win?
Yeah.
Did you win in dog?
I get it back.
Man.
At least I just.
I deposit all my money.
Oh, you. But me now. Look. I
But-
still have.
Guess what?
I have
I'm gonna
one.
post something in the YouTube.
Yeah, right. He cheat.
You wouldn't believe it if you see it.
Yeah, he cheat. Here, I still have my money. Okay, let's go.
Just having fun.
We're just having fun. That's it. Hindi ka nagadong relaxang pa.
Take my picture. Okay, this is what we're
It's a hot
gonna do. Just be happy.
It's a hot day.
Awan natin doon. Mangisong-song. Mangisong-song. So we're living Indang is Mimi Yaong.
Oh no, sikat si Mimi Yaong. I still have my money.
Mimi Yaong.
No.
Nakungkungan.
Oh, I'm not. I have to lift something for myself. You,
Awan nato.
his wallet is empty.
Nakungkungan.
Your wallet is empty, not me.
Nakungkungan.
I'm run, at least. Let's go home.
Oh, si Kamot nag-drive.
Ano?
Una.
Baka, diyan may passport.
Punta ka lang araw dyan, hindi ka pala mismo. Oh.
Ano ko na? Naapak ka eh.
Si Kanga, hindi mo nakutita kwartal. Punta ka lang araw ditan.
So,
May katimasang marantilugan tatang mga dati remembrance na. Okay, my new car. Yan eh, yung logo na.
oh, here.
That's logo.
H. What's it? H, man. Honey, honey. Oh,
My new Honda.
You're my lucky girl. Oh, ho, ho. No, we're having fun. I get back my money.
Okay, folks, we're leaving.
Budog. Ay, nako. We're leaving. Accepted kagtanay. Kasi nakapros. The heck? Imtag ko layapok kumandis kamot. At least.
Nindang Mimiyaw.
You always say that. I told you I have. See, my wallet is not empty. I told you that.
Mimiyaw.
There. See? Si Ate Mimi Yaong. Dapat laitag ko japok.
Ah, lips to lips, tano ko, magagasan.
No, just go drive. Shit.
Magagasan. Hanggang ba maturog,
Oh no.
makaturog ka, drive back.
Magati